Yeah, can you taste this one?
I will taste later.
Not later, now.
Guys, this is me, Kosa. What are you eating? Huh?
It's kappa with the fish.
Kappa with fish. So this is kappa. Is made from tapioca. Tapioca and
With the coconut.
what do you put? Coconut,
Ginger, garlic.
pea butter like that?
Yeah.
No,
No, the turmeric powder. You know.
only coconut milk,
Not the coconut milk.
coconut oil.
Coconut. The one.
Coconut.
only. Then
Coconut. The meat. And then the fish.
Fish.
You saute with onion, garlic, and then masala.
Masala.
You put some chili also.
Chili.
Chili powder.
Chili, turmeric.
Coconut milk. Tea. Then you will this one you will put in the sauce. Mashallah, try. Then I will try. Wow, this is spicy.
Very tasty.
The hemorrhoids, be careful.
This one no hemorrhoid.
You hold this one. I will taste, I will take my hand, By foot also.
Yes.
By foot cannot be.
By hand.
By hand. No, this
This
one,
put this one.
coconut
Tapioca.
meat with
Tapioca.
Let's put this one
With the fish.
with fish. Okay. Masala, fish masala. Fish masala, sir.
Yeah, fish masala.
Wow!
It's already.
This is very amazing.
Eat kuya more.
Ang sarap. Mga kosa, testingin to. Hindi ako nagbibiro, masarap to. Talagang fish, tsaka may masala, tapos tapioca. Alright na. Busog na. Thank you guys for giving me this opportunity to taste the fish masala with
Tapioca.
Tapioca or maca? Huh? What do you call again? Kappa.
Kappa with the fish.
Okay, kappa. Please follow, like, and share.
Please follow AI Vlogs.
I
I Vlogs.
Vlogs. Thank you very much.